If you want to connect your Namecheap email to Gmail so you can both send and receive emails using your custom domain, this tutorial will walk you through the full setup step by step. This is a great way to keep everything in one inbox, use your professional email address, and manage messages more efficiently from Gmail. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, we need to set up email forwarding inside your Namecheap private email account, so any incoming messages can be delivered to Gmail. Open your browser and log in to your Namecheap private email webmail interface at privateemail.com. Once you're inside, look for the settings area. In the forwarding section, click to add a forwarding address. This is the email address where you want your Namecheap messages to be sent, and in this case, that should be your Gmail address. After you enter your Gmail address, save the forwarding setup. If you want to keep a copy of each message in your Namecheap inbox as well, turn on the option that says keep a copy of the message. This is useful if you want backup access to your emails through Namecheap while still reading everything in Gmail. If you only want messages forwarded and don't want duplicates stored in your Namecheap mailbox, you can leave that option off. Now that receiving email is handled, the next step is to configure Gmail so you can send emails using your custom Namecheap domain. This is the part that makes your Gmail account look professional when you reply to people or send new messages. Open Gmail in a desktop browser and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to use your custom email address. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then choose See All Settings. Once the full settings page opens, click the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down until you find the Send Mail as section. Here, click Add another email address. A new window will appear asking for your sender details. In the name field, type the name you want recipients to see. Then, in the email address field, enter your full custom Namecheap email address, such as you@yourdomain.com. After that, you'll need to enter the SMTP settings so Gmail can send mail through your Namecheap email server. Use mail.privateemail.com as the SMTP server. Set the port to 465. For the username, enter your full Namecheap email address exactly as it appears, including the domain. For the password, use your Namecheap email password. Then choose Secured Connection using SSL as the security type. These settings are important because they allow Gmail to authenticate properly and send email on your behalf through Namecheap's servers. Once everything is filled in, click Add Account. Gmail will then send a confirmation message to the Gmail inbox or to the connected address, depending on your setup. You'll need to click the confirmation link that Gmail sends so the new sending address can be verified. This step is required, and without it, Gmail will not let you send as your custom Namecheap email address. After you confirm the address, go back into Gmail settings and make sure your Namecheap address is available in the Send Mail as section. You can usually choose whether replies should come from your Gmail address or your custom domain address. But if you want a fully branded email experience, select your Namecheap address as the default sending option. At this point, your setup is complete. You should now be able to receive emails from your Namecheap domain in Gmail through forwarding and also send emails from Gmail using your professional custom email address. This gives you the convenience of Gmail with the branding of your own domain, which is ideal for business, freelancing, and personal brand communication. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.